All right, here we are several days before Hurricane Irma. Today is Tuesday and September 6th, I believe. And Hurricane Irma, which is now Category 5, is on its way to southern Florida. So, mandatory evacuation. We've got to rig the boat up. We've got to get everything ready. And this place is probably going to look completely different after the storm.
I go from the front of your boat to that piling over there.
Say hi, Mike.
And I go from the back of the boat to that piling, way up. So if you get a high
This is what it looks like now. All this beautiful landscaping that the Queen has done.
It's gonna tear it.
It's gonna tear it all up. All these houseboats are probably gone.
Taking videos already?
Hey,
Still here, baby.
you gotta document, right?
They're not taking our paradise.
Not today!
We'll see.
We ain't scared.
We ain't scared. Now you're staying, aren't you?
And I'm scared.
Are you scared? You go hunker down?
Hunker down.
If it's your time, it's your time, huh?
Yeah.
You guys, how many hurricanes have you been through here?
I've been through 3 with him. He's been through about 5.
Uh-huh. All right.
So, yep.
You guys will do okay.
Yep.
It's surviving afterwards that's the bigger struggle.
Yeah.
But then the boss called and said, your year's up, dude. Then I had to go back.
He's saying that if we're going to tie it in the canal, we need to wait and do that Friday night. But
No, you can't go, no. So that's done deal.
block the canal now.
What I do is I go from the front of the boat to that piling up. The piling across the way.